So welcome to the first week, the first section, the first unit of counseling and ministry. This, as I suggested earlier, is going to be a whirlwind semester. We're going to move rapidly through the material. You'll notice that there are 8 units subdivided into 2 units each. Now, typically, those units will represent 1 per week. So 1.1 will be 1 week, 1.2 will be week 2, and so on and so forth. However, that's not always true. There are 2 breaks this semester, the fall break and the Thanksgiving break, and those unfortunately happen right during the middle of one of those units. And so you're going to have to gauge your time accordingly, recognizing that if you take that week off, that you'll have 2 sections to do that week. You also want to pay attention to the syllabus. There's a lot of moving pieces and parts in this semester. You will have a paper that's due, but before that paper can be submitted to me, you need to submit it to the Writing Center. And so I've made very clear the deadlines for each of those. The Writing Center is the seminary's newest attempt to help our graduate students do a better job at writing. We've recognized that graduate writing here at NOBTS leaves a little to be desired, and we want to see that improved because we want to see you be excellent students. And frankly, for the rest of your life, no matter what you do, you'll be writing and judged by your writing. We want to give you the chance to improve, and so we're going to make 5% of your final grade contingent on your submission of a draft, a timely submission of your draft to the Writing Center. There's a whole bunch of information on the Writing Center. You can also find it on the seminary's website. But regardless of what class you're in, the Writing Center could be a tremendous advantage to you. I propose that by submitting to the Writing Center and following their recommendations, you could potentially raise your grade, 1 letter grade in each class. And so I'm thinking you might want to do that. Also, because this is a class that's judged by the Association of Theological Seminaries as a critical class, you will notice that this assignment that you're going to be doing is called an embedded assignment, which means the entire faculty will be judging your work to see whether or not the seminary is teaching what we're supposed to be teaching and transmitting the information to our students that they need, critical information to do the job of pastoring. And so this is an assignment we as a seminary take very seriously. So please don't treat this paper as a routine assignment. You'll also very quickly in this class have a review of Dr. Jones' The Council of Heaven on Earth, and so you want to pay attention to that as well. There's a number of other very critical assignments and exams throughout the semester, and you will want to pay attention to those deadlines because some of them cannot be accepted late. The final exam, for example, once the semester is over, the semester is over. There is no grace on the final exam, so you need to be aware of when that's due. There's a lot of reading for the course, and it's really easy in an online learning environment to get behind. Please take the syllabus, take your planner, whether it be an electronic planner or a paper planner, and take those critical dates and begin marking them down, making sure that you are aware of the timelines and deadlines so that you don't get behind. In the end, when the dust settles, you'll be really glad you've taken this course. It's a phenomenal course designed by Dr. Ian Jones, who is a mentor of mine and one of the wisest and most brilliant men that I know. You will benefit greatly from his knowledge and from his insights, and along the way, I'll be here to answer any questions and to help in any way that I can. Again, please don't hesitate to contact me. My office is in the Leek McGee Building, room 106. My phone number is 504-816-8305. My email is kbrown@nobts.edu. And without further ado, let's get to work with section 1.1. God bless.